Today in the Daily Dose, where in the world is Colorado? Located in the west central United States, Colorado boasts the highest average elevation of any state, averaging 6,800 feet above sea level, sharing her borders with Wyoming and Nebraska to the north, Kansas and Nebraska to the east, New Mexico and Oklahoma to the south, and Utah to the west. Comprising 104,100 square miles of diverse topography, the 8th largest state in the U.S., Colorado is home to 4.3 million people, with a population density of 41 people per square mile, ranking the state 37th in terms of overall population density, although 45% of Coloradans live in the state's 10 largest cities along a 175-mile corridor in the Front Range, from Fort Collins in the north to Pueblo in the south. The state also includes the Four Corners region, which is the only place in the nation where 4 states meet at a singular point of land. While 2/5 of the state's eastern region is part of the Great Plains of America, a relatively flat and treeless region extending from the Rocky Mountains eastward through Nebraska and Kansas. The Rocky Mountain region in the middle 2/5 of the state runs north to south, and while many people mistake the region as one continuous range, the Colorado Rockies are made up of 5 distinct mountain ranges, including the Front Range, the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, the San Juan Mountains, and the Park and Sawatch Ranges. Straddling the Continental Divide, which separates rivers flowing to the Pacific Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico, Colorado boasts many of the highest peaks in the continental United States, including the state's highest peak at Mount Elbert, rising 14,439 feet above sea level. Rich in natural resources such as coal, wind, solar, oil, and an abundance of natural gas, Colorado leads the nation in the production of molybdenum concentrates, as well as a major producer of fire clay, gold, and grade A helium. The state's leading industries include agriculture, advanced manufacturing and technology, aerospace, oil and gas, outdoor recreation, tourism, and mining. Home to 28 ski resorts and hundreds of miles of varied terrain for all skill levels, in 2022, Colorado welcomed 90 million visitors into the state's cities, resorts, and 4 national parks, making the state of Colorado a scenic jewel in the west central United States. And there you have it. Where in the world is Colorado? Today in the Daily Dose. Get your nerd on with the Daily Dose. And if you enjoyed today's episode, share the link with a friend or colleague so that they too can learn something new every day.